Hey beauties, it's Riri. If you're new here, I'm an over 40 lover of all things beauty, and I'm pretty obsessed with indie brand makeup. If that sounds like your cup of tea, please consider subscribing and give the video a thumbs up if you do enjoy. There's also a little join button right down there that you can click to become a channel member. Thank you to my channel members. We are diving right in. This is my August Boxycharm. If you're unfamiliar with Boxycharm, this is our base box. This is a $27.99 monthly beauty subscription where you receive 5 full-size items, makeup, hair, skin, beauty, you get the drift. I always feel like Boxycharm is the best bang for your buck. That is my personal opinion. Although I will say, Ipsy and Boxycharm, come here girl, come here. Just call it Ipsycharm. Make it one subscription box. Make it easier on all of us, especially if all the products are now crossing over to both boxes. Anybody else? Okay, we're diving in. We always have a theme for the month. And our theme this month is Dusk Till Dawn. I will cover the back so that I do not get any spoilers for myself. And there is my box version if you are curious. And it comes packaged like so. All right. First thing right on top is something I believe I already have, maybe. It is from LaRousse. This looks smaller than the other set that I have. But it is a gray brush holder.
One moment, please. What the hell?
Oh, you just, when you get this at home, just pull it. It doesn't turn like the big blue one that we got previously. Anyways, I like to travel with the other one that I have, and this one's way smaller, so I think I'm really gonna like this because I can set it up at the hotel and have a brush holder for myself. It is a 5-piece brush set. We have a few eyeshadow brushes. I will definitely hang on to the eyeshadow brushes. We have a duo fiber brush and then an angled brush. Not my cup of tea. Y'all know where they're gonna go. Our PIF pile. Okay, I don't mind that. I like brushes. I love getting brushes. Next is a Cab Cosmetics Loose Setting Powder. The Cab lip oils that we got a couple months ago. I love them. They were in the Boxy pop-up and I ordered some more of them because I'm obsessed. This also I will not use. Y'all know Mama is a dry skin beauty. So we're going to pass this along as well and put it in our pay it forward pile. Next up is a Galactic Metallic Eye Sparkle in the shade Glam. That is what it looks like. Not always my favorite. I will see what color it is. It is a beautiful kind of mid-tone champagne with a lot of really pretty sparkle in there. As beautiful as it looks and sounds, I know I'm not going to use it, and I'm all about not being wasteful with my product. So even though it's beautiful, we're also going to put that in the pay it forward pile. Next up, hopefully something I'll actually keep and use, is an OPV Beauty London, the Glow Perfect Face Palette. And this says shade 2, and it doesn't really give a whole lot of anything else. They are cruelty free. I will just open it and see what it looks like. Again, if I don't think I'm going to use it, we will pass it along. Oh, that's pretty cool. Because it is metal, they put like saran wrap around the outside so that you're not getting fingerprints all over it. I like that. I like that idea. Even though I'm about to open it, so I'm probably going to get fingerprints on it. So if I'm not keeping it and you end up with this, I tried. Okay. All right. Oh, very pretty. I'm definitely keeping this. That looks super beautiful. And I think it will work on my skin tone as well. We have a blush, a highlighter, and a bronzer. Ooh. That I like. I really like this. Okay, I mean, I'm overall happy, obviously, so far with the box. And then the very last thing that I see, and then I'll get our box out of the way, is, I was literally just talking about lip oils. The Tanais Sunset to the Stars lip oil. I've never heard of this brand. Cute little packaging. And let's see what this says. Vegan and cruelty-free. Stroke the applicator brush on your lips. I would hope we do not need directions, but it is a kind of mid-tone pink. I definitely am seeing some like kind of peachy goldiness in there, which is giving me like NARS Orgasm. As much as I love lip oils, I really, really love lip oils, I don't like stuff with a lot of glitter in it, especially if I feel like I can feel it, and I prefer like a lip oil with no color, or like my Too Faced lip plumpers. So I'm not keeping a whole lot from the box. So we have makeup product number 1, makeup product number 2, makeup product number 3, makeup product number 4, and makeup product number 5, our brushes. I'm only keeping a few brushes, and I'm going to keep the little face palette. I think overall it is a well curated box, especially if you are somebody that you want all the makeup, all the makeup, all the makeup. Y'all know I don't care either way. I prefer skincare. I love skincare. I have a ton of skincare, so I don't really need any skincare. If this was a plain lip oil or didn't have the glitters in it and it was like a soft pink or a nudie color, I would definitely keep this. I'm intrigued by the products. I'm not mad at them. I'm just not going to use them. I'm going to give it 3 yellow hearts just for my personal taste, but I know so many of you guys will be like, bitch, that's a 5 yellow hearts box right there because it was all makeup. Not a terrible box, decent box. Let's read up on everything, and then I will bid you guys adieu. All right, our OPV Beauty Glow Perfect Face Palette. As part of the new Glow Perfect collection, this multi-purpose face palette contains a magical trio of highlighter, bronzer, and blush, proving to be the perfect multi-functional beauty kit. In true OPV beauty style, Glow Perfect colors are heavily pigmented, which allows them to really pop on the skin. Each formula delivers shade longevity and will stay put for the duration of the day following application. And that is $34. That seems a little pricey for something that's kind of this small, but if it does have the long wearability and stuff like that, then it may be worth it. The LaRousse Beauty Christine brush set. The Christine set includes a duo fiber cheek brush, a small angled cheek brush, a small concealer brush, a small flat shader, a medium domed blending brush, and a graphite petite runny cup. And that is $50. I would not pay $50 for that, especially when we can go to, Boxy Pop-Up and get them for way cheaper or get them in our boxes. The Galactic Metallic Eye Sparkle Shadow. Velvety and easily blendable, this metallic cream shadow formula creates a high reflex sparkling finish that is easy to apply, blends easily, and will wear all day. And that is $20. I feel like that's pretty standard, but then there are ones like e.l.f. that are pretty inexpensive and work really well too. The Cab Cosmetics Loose Setting Powder. This setting powder mattifies. This girl right here does not need that, okay? Mattifies, locks in your makeup, and minimizes shine. I have no shine. If I have shine, I'm either sweaty or I put too much damn highlighter on my face, okay? All-in-one soft and silky formula. This weightless powder will be a staple in your beauty routine, keeping you shine-free for 6+ hours, and that is $30. I also feel like that is quite pricey. This is tiny. I feel like, I don't know about these prices this month. Y'all sound off down below. The Tanais Sunset to Stars Lip Oil. This ultra shiny gloss is infused with nourishing coconut oil and pomegranate seed oil to plump and hydrate, plus a sheer shimmery pink tint that you can build with each stroke, and that is $27. Jeez, they're a new brand to Boxy. I'm gonna try it. It just sounds good with the coconut oil and the pomegranate seed oil. I'm gonna get an applicator though. That way if I don't like it, then I can still put it in my pay it forward pile. So we are going to grab a throwaway lip applicator. I just want to test it, y'all. It sounds good. It sounds really nice. Maybe I won't feel the glitters. It is definitely giving me NARS orgasm vibes for sure. And I don't know that I would spend $27 on this. So I'm going to put this to the side. And we're going to go in and I'll get a little bit. I don't really smell anything. I thought I would. Maybe the faintest little coconut scent. Oh, I do smell the coconut now. Okay, that's way prettier than I thought. Oh my gosh. That smells so yummy. I love the color. It's almost giving me like the popsicle lips vibe. And I don't actually see or feel the glitters. It just looks really pretty and shiny and pouty. I'm glad I tried it. Sometimes we have to try things we don't think we're going to like. I'm putting that right here, right next to my Too Faced lip injection because this is fabulous. That smells really, really good. It feels incredible. No stickiness. It's not weighted or heavy or anything like that, but it has some grip to it, meaning I think it'll last for a little while on the lips. Oh, that's pretty. I'm glad I tried it. Okay. All right, so I'm keeping a couple things now. That makes me very excited. I will put the total value of the box here. I feel like that value is stretching it just a little bit in my own opinion. Still think it's worth the $27.99. What do you guys think? Sound off down below. I love you, beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.